What is going on, everybody? This is Johnny here with Sierra Whiskey Co. And we are in Colorado. And camp is over. But I guess we should start at the beginning. Got everything, hopefully. Time to head to the airport. You coming on the elevator? Let's go. Good boy. Okay, now you can go get it. Bye, Jimbo. Sure, I have an unloaded firearm that I would like to declare as well.
Is it in a case in your suitcase?
Correct. That was super easy. No drone check, no pulling out all the camera equipment. If only it were that easy every time. That would be great.
A train is arriving. Please keep clear for passengers exiting the train. Liftoff. All passengers please exit.
We got it. Sitting here waiting at Alamo for what should be a sports car. It's been like 30 minutes, but you know, it'll probably be worth it. I'm not gonna drive it fast. I'm not gonna abuse it. I swear. I swear. Alright, so we're in Denver. And I finally get to take this mask off. Whew, that's annoying. So anyway, I was supposed to get like a Dodge Challenger or, I don't know, a Camaro. But I wanted something with all-wheel drive because there was some inclement weather coming in. So the guy just pulled up this car and he's like, hey, I don't want you to wait that long. Why don't you take this Infiniti Q60? It's not what I ordered. However, I'm willing to take it and give it a shot. It's going to be a good time. Gotta go get checked into my hotel. Go get some grub after that. Probably wash the airplane stink off of me. You ever, when you travel and you're just, oh, it's so grimy. It's the airplane grease. This is awful. All right. See what this car's got. Yeah, we finally made it. The Estes Mountain Inn. Hopefully this place doesn't suck. You just never know. Those photographers on the internet, they're pretty good sometimes. Well, smells clean. Doesn't really look like a murder shack. Bonus. Kinda dim. But, yeah. I guess it's home for the next 4 days. Firm bed. That's good. I like a firm bed. Saves the back. Yeah. So, in the room. Getting all squared away. This is a little disconcerting here. It's this little window. That's not that high off the ground. But the latch is broken. WTF, mate. All about that safety. We're gonna do a little fixie fix. Little hanger. That is not opening now. And this side is painted shut. So, security. All right. Next morning. Feeling fresh. Oh, snap. Beautiful mountains. Love it. Colorado is so beautiful. Should spend more time here. So the guy last night said, the guy at the front desk, said that the breakfast wasn't that great here at the hotel. So we're gonna give the one next door a shot because apparently they own that one too. We're gonna find out if it is acceptable. Side note, people give you the weirdest looks when you walk around with a camera pointed at your face. I don't know why. They just do. Finally here. YMCA of the Rockies for camp. I did a bunch of stupid stuff this morning. I got the GoPro all set up. Took a bunch of time to do that. Get that cool ride-in shot. Hopefully get some mountains. And then, tethered it to the windshield wiper just in case the mount broke. And I forgot that last night it was snowing, so I had the windshield wipers on. So it immediately broke the mount and ripped off the GoPro. From there, got everything all together, rigged up a new mount, and then I got in the car. It's like, all right, it's time to go. And realized that I had stepped in elk crap. I don't know how I did that. I mean, it happens, but yeah, it was all over my boot, all over my pants. I had to change my pants. I had to wash my boot in the hotel sink. Ugh, it was gross. And use hotel towels to try and get the stank out. I'm sorry, car rental Matt. But that floor mat's never going to be the same. But we're here. We made it. All the way from Wisconsin to Estes Park, Colorado. It's beautiful. It's windy. This audio is going to suck. We sponsored camp this year, so got a bunch of stuff for that. It'll be pretty exciting.
What's with that?
Look at this guy.
No, I checked.
No,
Are you good, brother?
Good to see you.
You recording?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Good to
I mean,
see
I
you,
gotta
man.
have an intro.
No, absolutely not. Where's your, do you have your products on you?
Yeah.
Know this is going to work. Here's the stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab his wrist, step forward, and pull the step forward. Here, I got to start. Like, there it is. Got it. But
Day 1, NBC camp. Going extraordinarily well. A little tired. It's a lot of training, but it's only day 1. Got 2 more days ahead of us. Should be a great time. Learning a lot, enjoying a lot. Camp is awesome. You should try it.
yeah.
Okay, now go grill it.
Go grill it. Yeah.